Well, guys, I'm thinking that you're probably having Thanksgiving dinner about now, and I wish I could be there with you. But I'm in sunny Roswell, New Mexico. I'm about 3.5 miles from the airport. So just a note on productivity. You can see this wall from that canopy down to here. All of those wall panels go in very fast. You can probably get one in every 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. But when it comes down to these openings, everything slows down. And you've got to cut the insulation around those openings, put double-sided tape in. You've got to take measurements, cut the siding, fit the siding in, and a lot of times you can take the siding off and trim it to fit to go around these three openings at the end. Takes as much time as doing the whole rest of this wall. Now, most of the time we're making window openings like this, where we have to make the framed opening, trim it out, put the jam trim in, make a nice trimmed opening, and somebody comes later and makes a window to fit that opening. But a much better system is to buy windows that are actually made for the wall system that you're putting in. And those windows go in as the wall system goes in. They're made to fit with the ribs, corrugations, and everything else that are part of that wall system. And those never have a problem, and they'll last forever. So if you're planning your metal building and you just need standard size windows, the better thing is to order them with the metal building system. Order windows that are made to fit with the wall system that you're installing. And I'll be back on Sunday night or Monday, and Monday afternoon I'll be in Fayetteville, West Virginia. Wednesday I'll be on 2 projects that we have out in Long Island. And then the following week, I'll actually be in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. And so hopefully I'll be able to come visit everybody once we're down there. But listen, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you later.